So guys, welcome guys to this tutorial, Mario by Franco Luambo Makiadi, solo tutorial, Sansa ya Papier part 2. Remember there was a part 1 I did. Okay, this one is part 2. Okay, Sansa Papier part 2, Mario. So this is how you play the solo. Just come the way you are playing this key here. Just now come and play the same key here, D. The difference, if you want to know the difference between this part and this part, that part the octave was low, and this part the pitch is high. It's very high, sharp. Okay? So, this is what you do. Some parts I'll not be explaining, I'll just do them without talking, okay? So that you can catch it well. Alright. So this is what you do. I hope you're seeing this clearly. This is what you do. Very good. This is what you do. I want you to play fret number 17. I want you to play fret number 17. First string, A note. First string, A note. I want to play fret number 14, first string, G sharp note. Again play A note, fret number 17, first string. And then play G note, fret number 15, first string. So you have. I want you to play fret number 17, string number 2. That's an E note. I want you to play fret number 15, string number 1. That's a G sharp note. I want you to play fret number 15, string number 2. That's a D note. So you have. Now see this. This part I'll not explain, I just want you to see. This is where I'm going to explain. This is where I'm going to explain. But this part, fret number 17, just see it. This part, just play your normal shape, key of D. Okay? I have just added my third finger to the third string, fret number 16. And then I've removed my first finger so that it can sound this way. When you put it back, it's just this one. I've removed my first finger. Are you seeing it? So you have. Alright, so we are here. We are there. So I want you to play fret number 17, string 2, E note. I want you to play fret number 15, C note, to sound like this. Yeah, we are there. Now from there I'm not going to explain, just see. Alright, so you have. We are together. So you have finished part 1. Part 2, it has only 2 parts. So part 2, I want you to play. I want you to play. Here I will not explain, just see. Okay, let me repeat that. So repeat. I repeat. That is what you have. Now, from there, I want you to repeat this step. The first step. You remember in the first step you did. That part is what I want you to repeat in the second step. The second step, the only difference is that it starts from here. And the first step, it starts from here. So, inside those steps, something inajirudia. Inside this step, inside all of that, this part is repeating. Okay, so are we together? Okay, so that is how it sounds. Now if you want to confirm it, just play it over your backing track. So guys, that is the end of Mario part 2. Next, I'm going to